Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar and newspapers. January 1920, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar started the fortnightly Mook Nayak. But later, Dr. Ambedkar had to leave for higher studies to England, and hence he handed over this paper to his colleagues. In April 1927, Dr. Ambedkar started the newspaper Bahishkrut Bharat. Through the medium of Bahishkrut Bharat, he wrote for the reformation of common people and bringing unity among them. Apart from this, he also started two more newspapers, namely Janta and Prabuddha Bharat. Maps and drawings. Map is also regarded as an important source of history. The changing nature of a city or a particular location can be traced through maps. The Survey of India was an independent department established during the British period. Through scientific method of survey, they have created maps of India, various provinces of India, cities, etc. Similarly, the plans designed by the architects prove important. From the view of study of architecture of a building as well as phases of development process of a particular area. For example, the Department of Mumbai Port Trust has the original plan of the Bombay Port Information about development of Bombay City. Can be understood through the plans drafted by architects and engineers. Oral sources. The following sources are included in the oral sources of modern Indian history: folk songs, inspirational songs, rhythmic prose means OV, fairs, jalsa, art groups, interviews, narrations, folk tales, povada, inspirational songs. During the period of freedom movement, various inspirational songs were composed. At present, some of these songs are available in written form, but there are many other unpublished inspirational songs memorized by freedom fighters. Through this inspirational song, we can get information about the conditions during pre-independence period, and also the spirit behind the freedom struggle could be understood. Povada. Povada is a source for getting information about a historical event or the work of a person. There are various povadas composed on freedom struggle of 1857, valor of revolutionaries during the British rule, etc. These povadas were used to create motivation and spirit among the people. Apart from freedom movement, the povadas were composed based on the work of Satyashodhak Samaj for awakening among the oppressed classes, the Sanyukta Maharashtra movement, and such other events. Video, audio, and audio-visual sources. During the modern period, due to the development of technology, there was a development in the art of photography, recording, films, etc. Obviously, these photographs, records, or films can be used as a source of history. Photographs. Photographs are visual source of modern Indian history. With the discovery of art of photography, Photographs of various persons, events, objects, structure, places were clicked. Through these photographs, we get information of the person or an event in a visual format. In case of medieval period, there are paintings available that depict the physical features of a person or visual description of a particular event. But the authenticity of these paintings is doubtful. Comparatively, photographs are considered to be more reliable. The photograph of a person gives information about the physical features, dressing style, etc. Photograph of an event give a visual image of the event, whereas photograph of an object or a structure helps in understanding its nature. Recordings. The discovery of a technique of a recording was also an important as a photography. Recording is a form of audio source of history. During modern period, the speeches of leaders or important personalities, songs, etc. are available in the form of recordings. They can be used as a source of history. For example, national anthem Jana Gana Mana sung by Rabindranath Tagore himself. The speeches of Subhash Chandra Bose can be used as an audio source. For the study of history of modern India, films. Films are considered as a unique discovery of modern technology. Dadasaheb Phalke in year 1913 laid the foundation of Indian film industry. Audio-visual recording of Dandi Yatra, Salt Satyagraha, Quit India movement. Through these films, the events could be seen in reality. Compared to ancient and medieval period, the sources of study of modern Indian history are found in abundance and variety. The archaeological sources of this period are to a great extent found in a better state. There are many written sources preserved in the archives. But while referring the written sources, the ideology and opinions of the author regarding the particular event needs to be examined. The rich tradition of history can be handed over to the next generation.